Can Xiaomi TV Stick download apps? Yes, the Xiaomi TV Stick can download apps as it runs on Android TV and includes the Google Play Store. Users can install a variety of streaming, gaming, and utility apps directly from the Play Store. Additionally, sideloading apps via APK files is possible for apps not officially available on the store. 1. Downloading apps from the Google Play Store. The Xiaomi TV Stick comes with the Google Play Store pre-installed, allowing users to download and update apps easily. Popular apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Amazon Prime Video, Spotify, and VLC Media Player are readily available. The Play Store can be accessed from the home screen using the remote control. 2. How to download apps on Xiaomi TV Stick. Step 1. Connect the Xiaomi TV Stick to the TV and ensure it is connected to Wi-Fi. Step 2. Press the home button on the remote to open the main menu. Step 3. Navigate to and open the Google Play Store. Step 4. Use the search function to find the desired app. Step 5. Click Install and wait for the app to download and install. 3. Installing third-party apps, APK files. For apps not available in the Google Play Store, users can sideload APK files using a file manager. To do this, enable unknown sources in the security settings and use an app like Downloader or Send Files to TV to install APKs from a USB drive or online source. 4. Managing and updating installed apps. To update apps, users can open the Google Play Store, go to My Apps and Games, and select Update All or Update Individual Apps. To uninstall unwanted apps, navigate to Settings, then Apps, select the app, and choose Uninstall. 5th, troubleshooting app download issues. If an app cannot be downloaded, users should check the internet connection, clear the Play Store cache, or restart the Xiaomi TV Stick. Ensuring the device's firmware is up to date can also resolve compatibility issues. If an app is unavailable due to region restrictions, using a VPN may allow access. The Xiaomi TV Stick fully supports downloading apps from the Google Play Store, making it a versatile streaming device. Users can also sideload APKs for additional app options, ensuring a customizable and enhanced entertainment experience.